Do something funny. Not that. I'll just get you in the mirror. Oh, there's Dan abusing his mother. So sad. God. You're a jerk. Got proof now. You're in trouble. I'm focusing. Hold still. Yeah, that's gonna be a good hider. Good hiding spot then. I'll say something funny. For your fans out there. You have a lot of them. So what's your problem? Give the people what they want.
Okay. That's what the people want.
No, that's not. That ain't what the people want. You lie. Kit.
There's nothing in there.
You said you had glucose on.